Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the software and permissions are ready. Open Settings and check Software Update. Up-to-date iOS avoids compatibility issues. Next, enable microphone access and messages notifications so audio can record and send. Once done, open the Messages app and tap the conversation or create a new message to the person you want. This gets you straight into the recording interface without delays, so you won't lose time when you begin the actual voice message. Now you record. Tap and hold the microphone or audio waveform in the message field to begin. Press firmly and speak clearly because audio quality matters. Use earbuds if noisy. If you want hands-free, slide up to lock recording, which lets you continue without holding the screen. When you release, you can preview the clip. Make sure the message captures what you need. If it sounds off, trash and re-record. Short takes are fine and let you stay natural. Finish by tapping the send arrow. Blue means iMessage delivery, green means SMS fallback, which may compress audio. Once sent, hold the bubble to forward or save the voice clip if needed. If the message fails, try toggling airplane mode or cellular data and resend because temporary network glitches often cause failures. If recipients hear no audio, make sure your microphone permissions are active and test a quick voice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.